let's jump in. The first upgrade, the TPU feeds. I printed them in some semi-flex TPU. So I think you can use basically every printable TPU. They do not really have a tamping effect. I think they just give it a more premium look, in my opinion, because it's more, the machine is more higher and it does look more premium, I think. Yeah, you can basically just put it underneath the original feeds and they're quite stable, hold the machine in place, and yeah, I think they look nice. So the next upgrade is this premium oak portafilter, bottomless portafilter from Shades of Coffee. I think they're based in UK. And also this steam knob in oak look. I think this makes the machine look pretty nice with that combination of the portafilter and the steam knob. So I do not know if you like it, but I think it gives it a pretty clean look. So these are just aesthetic upgrades. Next upgrade is this low trip tray. So I printed it honestly in PLA and I have to print it in Acer or EBS, but I think it's a little bit warped, but otherwise it works till now. But of course PLA isn't for that high temperature from the boiling water, but to be honest I haven't changed it till now. But I think it gives it a nice matte finish, and it's also, if you want to make a use a bigger mug, it's perfect to place it underneath. So this is the next upgrade, the low trip tray. I will link all the models in the description below so that you can also use it. So the next upgrade is this water tank cover, which is 3D printed, where you can basically put all your, or organize all your barista tools like tamper, puck screen and other utilities. But I think it looks like integrated or OEM standard, and yeah, it looks nice and gives the machine also quite clean look, I think. And I'll also link it in the description below. So the next upgrade is basically the brain of the machine, the Gaggimate, and I made a separate video how to install everything and how to set everything up, how to calibrate everything. But in the end, it's the brain of the machine, and you can choose from different profiles. You can profile here. You basically set the flow rate, the temperature, the pressure, and I got some profiles from the Discord group, and there's some classic profiles here, which is basically the whole concept of the Gaggimate control center or the ecosystem. And there are also some different other features where you can basically integrate a scale for weighting the coffee. If you do steaming, it also somehow holds the pressure and activates the pump to get a decent pressure, or get more pressure when you steam the milk. So you get a lot of different features. You can basically have a website where you can track all your coffees, you can rate them, and yeah, I think it's a nice system to play. But of course you have to find your coffee setup, your beans, your settings to get a good coffee. But I think these are the main upgrades from my machine. And the last bonus feature is this LED, which I integrated in the Gaggimate PCB. I can show you a quick installation video where I basically soldered everything together, placed it, how I connected it. But basically the idea of this LED is of course a little bit aesthetics, but also to see the water level better on the machine. And yeah, these are the main upgrades, and maybe it helps someone. I will link all the 3D printed files in the description below, and just let me know what you think about the machine, what you think about the Gaggimate upgrade, and if you think it's worth it. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts.